Hi, my name is Sherelle. I am from Airdrie, Alberta, Canada. I just wanted to share a few experiences that I had this semester. So, one of the experiences that I had at the beginning of the semester was losing my dad. So, my dad passed away. He had been sick for quite some time, so it wasn't a surprise. But this class has been so wonderful for me as a healing journey and reconnecting with my ancestors and feeling that my dad is doing work on the other side of the veil and I'm helping him on this side of the veil has been a really healing experience. I've also been able to be more specific and deliberate about putting together resources for his family history and ensuring that we recorded a lot of information right after his funeral. And a couple weeks after my dad died, I sent my oldest son on a mission. And my husband and I did not have the opportunity to go through the temple with my son before he left on his mission. We had scheduled for him to take out his endowments, but he was unable. The temple closed 2 days before his scheduled endowment. So during the semester, he was able to take out his endowments, but of course, we couldn't be there. And one of the things that has given me a lot of peace uh, because of that is that we can still work together as a family to find names, to do missionary work, to do temple work. And ironically, just as my son was taking out his endowments in the Toronto Canada Temple, the same day my aunt texted me, and my temple in Calgary has recently opened. And the very day that it opened, she let me know that she had booked a time for our family to go and do baptisms. So that was really special for me. And with the task last week to find names, I was actually able to find 32 names that needed baptisms and confirmations. Currently, our temple is only open for live sealings, live endowments, and as of just a couple weeks ago, now we're able to do some baptisms. So I'm so grateful to feel like with the absence of the temple and being able to go as frequently as we used to be able to, that I'm now in a situation where I feel more confident in preparing names and more confident in helping other people find names. Another thing that's been a great help to me is to understand a little bit more about how the church and the Lord essentially wants us to interview all of our ancestors. That has been a real big game changer for me because initially, when I started doing family history, it was just all about finding that name and taking it to the temple. And we know that there's a lot of names that there's doubles in our genealogy indexes. And so this has helped me change my mindset a little bit and to really understand who my ancestors were. And it's definitely more of a healing and therapeutic exercise having lost my dad so recently. And knowing him as an individual, it puts it in perspective knowing that my ancestors were individuals and that I can perform this service and get to know them even though they've passed. Thanks.